Good morning, people. Welcome back to my channel. Exciting weekend coming up for me. Been planning this from a very long time. Doing a camping with the bike ride. So today we're off to Gandikota, which is in Andhra Pradesh. So about I think 8 bikes, and we are taking our tents and all the camping gear to do camping in Gandikota. So welcome back to my channel once again, and if you're new to my channel, I'm a DJ, event manager, and run a couple of businesses, and I do quite a bit of riding. I ride a Honda Africa Twin and a Hero Expulse. Okay. Jammalamadugu. Well, we're waiting for the rest of the riders on airport road, just before the airport, on the way to Gandikota. Well, we're close to the Kodur Dharmavaram road, and we're going to stop over at Kadri for our lunch, and then head to Gandikota, where we're going to go across the river, which is the 30 odd kilometers further from Gandikota camping site, and then take a U-turn and come to the other side of the campsite across the river. The turn should be around 1 kilometer from there. Hyderabad, Puttaparthi. So this is the right turn which goes to Puttaparthi, Kadri, and it should be about 160 kilometers I think from here. 169 is what the map is showing. That is Deepak on his 2018-80 I think, and the multi-strada is GP. I'm not sure about this person, I just met him today. Had a puncture, actually the tyre itself is worn out badly. That's the state of the tires. There was a big hole. Luckily, to manage to find a puncture shop, and Sandeep Anand is getting my tire from Bangalore. So hope to replace the tire and continue my journey from here. It's not going to be a flop show after all. Manju to the rescue. Thank you. Bye, Manju.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
You meet ಮಾಡ್ಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಿಗಕ್ಕಾಗದು.
Well, that was quite an adventure. Had a flat tire and realized the tire is totally worn out. Was on its steel rims, and then tried putting the tube, didn't work out. And finally Sandeep Anand, all the way from Bangalore, was coming, picked up my tire and saved the day for us, for me especially. Well, we hope you like this whole adventure. We're on the way to Gandikota right now, back on the highway, back in business. We've taken a left from the Hyderabad highway, heading towards Kadri place, where the Kadri temple is, and then Gandikota is further from there. It's about 3.5 hours, I think. Showing 169 kilometers, 168 kilometers. 3.5 hours. We might do it in 3 hours, depending on the road condition. Well, also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet, and do like my Facebook fan page, which is also Djmahaneet. Hit the bell icon to get all my latest updates on all my videos, and don't forget to subscribe. Well, we managed to reach Gandikota actually. Late evening, already the sun had set and it was dark, and we set up our tents in a private property alongside the river, and we set up a campfire too in between our tents and started a party. Well, that's the end of part 1 and end of the day. We had a tiring and adventurous day today and couldn't explore too much, so tomorrow is going to be a more exciting day. Watch the part 2 of this Gandikota ride as we explore places around Gandikota, and don't forget to watch all the drone shots we shot all along the way. So if you do like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Ciao, adios and goodbye until the next part. Bye bye.